Welcome back. The annual D.D.Kosambi Festival of Ideas is set to commence on 7th of February. The Directorate of Art and Culture is organizing the festival for the 5th year now. Prominent personalities like Medha Patkar, Uma Das Gupta, Shekhar Singh, Professor Muhammad Yunus and Syed Naqvi will be delivering their lectures at the festival.
5 eminent speakers from various fields will be delivering lectures at the 5th edition of the D.D.Kosambi Festival of Ideas. Eminent author Uma Das Gupta, social activist and environmentalist Medha Patkar, founder member of National Campaign for People's Right to Information Shekhar Singh, senior journalist Syed Naqvi and Nobel laureate and chairman of Grameen Bank in Bangladesh, Professor Muhammad Yunus will be speaking at the festival. The festival will begin on 7th of February and it will go on till 11th February. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Aldona MLA Dayanand Narvikar is pressing hard for a Porvorim seat of a Congress candidate. He says that if the Porvorim ticket is given to the NCP, then he will not support the candidate. He is annoyed with the NCP's claim on the constituency.
I can see any congressman winning the seat for Indian National Congress. This seat has to come to Indian National Congress. And it is my strong feeling that we should get this seat and we can win the seat. It is my wish. If I don't like a candidate, I don't support it. Even otherwise. Tomorrow I may not be like Gambakam. Why should I go to Madam? I will not go to Madam.
Narvikar says he is shocked with NCP's proposal.
Disturbed and I was surprised that 4 days back, Mrs. Bharati Dhawan, who is supposed to be observer of NCP, she called one of the candidates of INC, who has filled a form, and offered him NCP ticket. I can also quote the name of the candidate, Dr. Ravi Chodani. He was called. And she said this seat is being given to them.
A reporter from Porvorim, Shamsundar Fatte. Some of the miscreants set ablaze a forest area at Dhaptor, Raya and Madgaon. Around 7,600 square meters of green cover was lost. Members of Zagrut Raikaranso Awaz and forest officials inspected the site on Monday. Forest Department will now investigate the case.
Have a look at this hill at Dhaptor Rai in Margaon. Some unknown person set ablaze the hill full of vegetation. The area is around 7,600 square meters. Approximately 1,000 trees were burnt. The area belongs to Valmiki Falero. This incident occurred on Saturday. It is only after some of the members of Jagrut Raikaranso Awaz noticed it that they complained to the forest department.
The area is around 76,000 square meters and occupant asa Valmiki Falero. So we do not know whether it is he who has done it or he has employed someone or it is a crime of the worst nature where the person who has done it has no heart because he has killed the trees alive and burnt it. It is like a murder of the flora and avifauna. In this range exists a lot of reptiles, mongoose asa, foxes aha. There's leopard also. Leopard also has been sighted in this. There are peacocks.
Forest officials are now investigating the case. They will register an offence in this matter.
Legal permission घेऊन ना म्हणजे फर्दर आम्ही हे करून गेले आमचे किती प्रोसिजर आहे आम्ही करतले फर्दर सगळे
प्रोसिजर किती
प्रोसिजर म्हणजे आमचा 95 आम्ही ऑफेन्स बुक करतात आणि सगळे लिस्टिंग करून मागीर साइट पंचनामा करतात किती झालं एक्झॅक्ट ते.
A reporter from Margaon, Samir Bhatt.
SGPDA officials have written to the High Court that all necessary precaution and safety measures are taken to maintain hygiene in the market while replying to a PIL. But in reality, nothing has been done. A Prudent Media exclusive. While replying to a PIL regarding hygiene of SGPDA market, an affidavit is filed by the SGPDA member secretary Rajesh Naik. It states that Sulabh International Social Welfare Organization has commissioned the effluent treatment plant, getting rid of the wastewater. With the installation of the effluent treatment plant, all the dirt and waste, both dry and wet, are disposed of in the ground and not in the surrounding area. Raw waste is pumped to the circular tank and treated. It is purified and discharged into the ground for absorption and irrigation. But in reality, when Prudent Media visited the wholesale market, it was found that effluent treatment plant tank was open. Despite the said commissioning of the plant, wastewater was released in the paddy fields. The market is still stinking. The drains are choked with the stagnant fish water and waste fish. Moreover, 2 children were seen cleaning the market. The next hearing in this case has been scheduled on Tuesday. Our reporter from Madgaon, Savio Dice. Food and Drugs Administration seized gutka worth around 3 lakh rupees on Monday at Talegaon. Police have arrested the driver who was transporting the stuff. Sources say that gutka was brought in the state from Kolhapur.
Gutka worth around 3 lakh rupees was seized by FDA at Talegaon on Monday afternoon. The vehicle was moving in and around in Panji distributing gutka. FDA has decided to take strict action against the gutka distribution in the state.
Tobacco-related food articles is banned in the state of Goa, and hence such distribution cannot be allowed. On the tip provided by the Commercial Tax Department squad and my department, we have booked the said driver along with the vehicle and the stock as well as the vehicle is seized. And we are also looking into feasibility of filing an FIR against the driver in the Panjim police station so that he can be arrested, so that his presence in the court is secured when the legal process continues.
Our senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kanolkar, with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
Time now for another short break, but news from sports when we come back. Stay tuned.